Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here. And sometimes I get even more than that. All right, good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday, August 28th. So I didn't get to record this trade. I was popping in and out of the office and saw it set up and just jumped in real fast, and then we didn't get to record it. So I just wanted to bring it to you, though. I hate doing recaps, but unfortunately today is just a recap. So to this morning, this stock setup algorithm had switched. We had permission at the time. We don't now, but we had permission at the time to jump in. So I jumped in short. You can see the trade up here. The time I jumped in, 10:35 or 10 o'clock roughly. You can see all those details there. So we jumped in, algorithm switch, jumped in, got the target, waited for it to go a little below, put my stop in, and unfortunately it backed up and it didn't run on me at all. So we ended up out with a 12-cent profit. So that's basically going to be it for today. Yeah, look at this thing, pull back up and then faded the rest of the day so far. But you never know what it's going to do, So I just trade with the algorithm, whatever it tells me, and that's about it. If you're interested in learning how I day trade with the algorithm, over at 2020daytrader.com, my simple switch day trading class, which teaches you everything that I do to day trade. It gives you my whole trading plan, strategy, risk management, the whole nine, everything, and talks about my platforms and how I set my platforms up and all that stuff. And that class is 100% free. So I do not charge to teach you how I do all my trading. That's completely free. The only thing you would have to pay for is if you decided you wanted to copy me and you wanted to get my algorithm, then you would just pay for the algorithm, and it's a one-time fee for your own personal use. And there's payment plans as well. I think it's like $85 a month on a payment plan, so it can be pretty affordable. And you can actually, get trading and have your trading just pay your monthly fee, so it doesn't even come out of your pocket even. With the simple switch day trading strategy, we don't use any expensive scanners, so I don't have to have a scanner rental or lease or anything like that. And those can easily be $2,000 a year. So, if you were to buy my day trading course and get my course is free. But if you were to buy the algorithm, then that actually would cost you less than it would be for a scanner to trade something else. So anyway, if you want to check it out, 2020daytrader.com, you get more information on my day trading course, and you can take it for free. Maybe you'll learn something. I do go a lot of detail on risk management and lessons I've learned, how I set my platforms up, how I make Thinkorswim run faster, and all that stuff. So anyway, hope everybody has an awesome day, awesome weekend, and we will see you on Monday.